Reliable Wi-Fi is the backbone of modern campus life, connecting students, faculty, and staff across sprawling grounds and diverse buildings. But delivering seamless wireless coverage on a university campus is no easy task. From historic lecture halls with thick stone walls to bustling libraries packed with hundreds of devices, each environment brings its own set of challenges. Outdoor spaces, dormitories, and even research labs all require careful planning to ensure strong, uninterrupted connectivity. The first step to improving campus Wi-Fi is understanding these unique obstacles. Dense building materials can block signals, while high-density areas like lecture halls demand networks that can handle thousands of simultaneous connections. Students bring a wide variety of devices, from laptops and smartphones to gaming consoles and IoT gadgets, all competing for bandwidth. Unauthorized access points and interference can further complicate matters, especially in residential areas. Provision provides comprehensive solutions for these challenges. Our design capabilities allow IT teams to design, validate, and optimize networks with precision. By collecting real-world data and simulating network changes before deployment, campuses can avoid costly mistakes and ensure reliable coverage everywhere. With Provision, universities can confidently support digital learning, collaboration, and research, keeping their academic communities connected and productive. Provision is an industry leader in wireless engineering, network optimization, and automation.